All right, guys, March the 11th on a Thursday. We just got to our second job, but our first job was a touch-up floor that I did maybe a month ago. I had a guy training with me, and he actually missed a spot. So we went to correct that for our client in Powder Springs. Now we're on this small job. We're right here in Buckhead. And what's funny is I went and did a consultation yesterday in Park Place condominiums, and they was actually referred to me. So we're going to be doing their floors this coming Wednesday. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. So we are in Buckhead. I don't know what happened with the weather. I got up this morning. I usually have my vest on. I came outside and it was so cold, so I put a jacket on. But it's a beautiful day though. And this is a one room. This is a new client. I never came out here to do a consultation. He booked strictly off the pictures. I do have a minimum of $750, and he has this pine floor that we're going to do today. You see right here, there's T. So this is the pine floor that we're going to be doing. We're just going to screen it down. We're going to add some color back to this area here, and also right here where it's missing from the soft grain. So we're going to get some color back there, and then we're going to top it off with a good coating, and I'll get this floor looking good. So again, guys, this is all we're doing right now. This is a very small job. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the screening and come back and show you some results. Stay tuned.
Buckhead nights, Atlanta lights, Truman on the floor, watch the shining night. Screen it down, bring the grain back alive. UV flash, watch the glow. Screen and recoat, smooth and slow. Buckhead shine, Olympic gold. Truman flows, never getting old. Heavy bass knocking through the room. Wood grain glowing like a full moon. One day service, watch it flow. UV light, instant gold. No shortcuts, precision control. Color correction, bringing life to the flow. Full system, Truman technology. Atlanta hardwood, restoration artistry. Screen it down like a Asian bond. Bring the beauty back to flow once lost. Color correction, bringing warmth to the tone. Now the hardwood shining like a Buckhead home. Recoat rolling smooth and tight. Then the UV beam hit the flow with light. Instant cure, no waiting time. Step right back to that Truman shine. Luxury flow with the ATL glow. One day system, watch the workflow from dull and tired to rich and bold. Buckhead flows looking Olympic gold. UV flash, let it glow. Screen recoat, watch it flow. Atlanta shine, watch it rise. Truman flows electrify. High bass booming, drill be strong. One day service all day long. Buckhead homes, perfect shine. Truman work every time. Atlanta hardwood, restored again. One day system, Truman wins. Flash, cure, shine.
Check it out.
And you're happy, right?
Yes, sir. No, you happy?
Yeah, well, as long as I don't get splinters.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it.
All right, good.
Thank you, man.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. Also, too, guys, I want to say Mike, the #1 compliment he gave me was my customer service skills. And I just want to say thank you so much. Communication. And I'm so big on that. So he's happy with the floors. And like I said, the main purpose of this floors was to get some good protection on them. Even though we did a great job with the color correction, but again, everybody's expectations are different. And Mike's expectations was getting some good finish on this floor, getting them UV cured so they wouldn't have splinter issues. And that's what he was just testing. So the floors came out amazing. And I thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next one.